As we're now rather close to its official unveiling event taking place on August 9th, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is leaking pretty much every day, sometimes multiple times within any given 24-hour span. A set of new photos, allegedly depicting the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, have been leaked online. Getting our hands on what are possibly some of the first real-life photos of Samsung's upcoming flagship is not all that surprising at this point, considering how close it is to launch. The three photos, leaked by user Samsung Mobile News on /leaks, show off the Galaxy Note 9 from both the back and the front. On that note, here are a couple of live images of the device, one showing the front with the screen on in the About section of settings, and the other showcasing that back with the new position for the fingerprint sensor. The pictures don't really bring anything new regarding the phone to the table curiously, and unfortunately, in one of the pictures, the alleged Note 9 is shown with a broken screen, a crack running from the mid-lower portion of the screen all the way up to the top left corner. In the first pair of shots, we can see the back of the Note 9 in one of the pictures, as well as the About phone settings screen in the other. The model number shown in settings, SMN960U, seems to be consistent with Samsung's model numbering scheme. The Galaxy Note 8 was SMN950. Other than that, the back of the device looks to be completely in line with previous rumors about the Galaxy Note 9, horizontal, dual-cam setup with the fingerprint scanner beneath. The two stickers on the back also look legitimate, with the first containing edited out IMEI number and a visible model number that's consistent with what is shown in settings. It also seems like the camera that's in the middle of said island has variable aperture, which wouldn't be surprising considering the fact that the Note 9 is expected to don the exact same camera setup as the Galaxy S9 Plus. Speaking of settings, the photo with the broken Galaxy Note 9 also shows an update that's being downloaded onto the device. If the Chinese writing is to be believed, the update includes the August 1st Android security patch. Add to that the identical chipset choices, and the only things that will truly set the Note 9 apart from the already available S9 Plus are its S Pen stylus, with Bluetooth support this time around, marginally bigger screen, and the beefier battery, that could be as high as 4000 mAh according to past rumors. The Galaxy Note 9 is coming soon, but the Galaxy Note 9 is not exciting enough. At least, that's what smartphone buyers continually looking for a brand new design will tell you. The Galaxy S9, an almost identical copy of the Galaxy S8 but with much better specs and features, failed to become the bestseller that Samsung wanted it to be. The Note 9 isn't expected to fare any better than its predecessor. New reports from South Korea reveal that Samsung has been looking at whether the Galaxy Note and Galaxy S line should be unified in the future, considering that Galaxy S and phones look more and more like the Note. According to the Bell sources, Samsung has been looking at whether to merge the two flagship lines into a single product for a while now, but there's no definitive conclusion on the matter. The talks aren't just internal, as Samsung has been talking to partners as well. One strong argument is that Samsung could cut development costs, especially in a saturated smartphone market where buyers hold onto their devices for more extended periods than before. A different argument is that Samsung will introduce foldable handsets next year as a pilot program, but foldable handsets will become mainstream in the years after that. The Galaxy X is supposed to feature a 7-inch display that's as big as a small tablet when folded out, as well as a much bigger battery. Larger screens and bigger batteries are two features that were once available only on Note-sized phones. The Galaxy X will launch in early 2019, soon after, or before the Galaxy S10 is unveiled. Galaxy Note 9 sales may help Samsung decide whether the Galaxy S Plus and Note lines should be unified or Note. Next year, Samsung is already rumored to launch 3 distinct Galaxy S10 versions, including the Galaxy S10 Plus phone that could easily pack an S Pen stylus. But Galaxy Note 9 isn't expected to break any records. A different story on the Bell says that Samsung wants the phone to sell at least as good as the Note 8. Samsung shipped 11 million Note 8 units last year, and it plans to sell just 1 million more Note 9 units this year.